Why is a control unit crucial to the functionality of a computer system? If you've ever asked yourself this question, you're in the right place. Today we dive into the heart of a computer's central processing unit, the control unit, and unravel its operations. The control unit is the orchestra conductor of the computer system. It coordinates and supervises the operations of the other hardware components of a computer system. Its primary role is to configure the data path, the route taken by data through a network from the main memory to the processor. For a better understanding, envision the control unit as a program stored in memory, with a sequence of desired operations called instructions. Each instruction cycle is broken down into several sub-operations, each taking one clock cycle. First, there's the fetch operation. This phase is akin to a librarian pulling out a book from a library shelf. The control unit retrieves or fetches the next instruction from the memory and places it into the instruction register or IR. The IR then holds the instruction for processing. Next comes the decode operation. In this stage, the control unit acts as a translator, interpreting the fetched instruction. It determines what the instruction means and how it will execute it. Is the moment when the control unit deciphers the encoded message in binary format. The third operation is the fetch operands. Here, the control unit moves data from memory to the data path register, similar to a mail carrier delivering letters to the correct addresses. The data that the control unit fetches are the operands, which are the values that the instruction will use. The fourth operation is the execute phase. This is the moment of action when the control unit directs the arithmetic logic unit, or ALU, to perform the operation. The control unit moves data through the ALU, where the actual mathematical or logical operation takes place. It's like the control unit instructing the chef to cook a specific recipe. The final operation is the store results. After the ALU executes the operation, the control unit writes the data from the register back to the memory. It's the equivalent of saving your work on a computer before shutting it down. In summary, the control unit is the brain of the computer system, managing and coordinating all operations. It fetches instructions from memory, decodes them, fetches the necessary data, executes the instructions, and then stores the results. It's the backbone that ensures the smooth operation of the computer system, enabling it to perform complex tasks efficiently and accurately. Without the control unit, a computer system would be a disorganized mess of components with no direction. So next time your computer performs a task seamlessly, remember, it's the control unit working tirelessly behind the scenes.